Did you know that Total Line has made it incredibly easy for you to find the right hermetic AC compressor for any job? With our web-based compressor cross-reference search tool, we've taken the guesswork out of the process. Almost instantly, you'll be able to choose the right replacement compressor for any out-of-warranty application. Total Line's compressor cross-reference tool has been designed so that it's as easy to use as possible. Just go to partscenter.totalline.com. Then all you need to do is fill out the form fields and submit the search. Enter either the RCD item number or the manufacturer number. You can also search by actual capacity or nominal tonnage, and you'll also need to know the compressor type, type of refrigerant, voltage, and phase. Within seconds, you'll have a listing of available replacement compressors. Plus, you'll find vital details on each of the compressors, including capacity, suction, discharge, and EER. That way, you'll be able to review and select the best compressor for the job. And because the replacement item number is listed, you can easily call your local Total Line sales center to ensure the product you need is in stock before heading out to the store. What could be easier? And because it puts the right compressor right at your fingertips, it'll save you time in the field, so you can get the job done and move on to the next one quickly. And that means increased profitability. The Total Line compressor cross-reference tool is accessible on your computer, tablet, or mobile device at partscenter.totalline.com. And it's also available on the new Total Line mobile technician app. If you have questions about the Total Line compressor cross-reference tool, just ask your counter sales representative. And remember, you can get any replacement hermetic compressor you need right here at your Total Line sales center.